Hey guys, we're getting on a boat today and we're going to KRKA National Park. It's spelled like this. KRKA. I don't know how you say that. But it's supposed to be really beautiful. It has a lot of waterfalls, about 9, and the bottom one we can take a swim in it. So that's gonna be exciting.
Yeah, we're looking so much forward to having a swim.
Yeah. It is warm, but it's not. We're not getting roasted, so it's okay.
I think it's 27 degrees.
Yeah. And this ferry is departing from Sibenik. So we had a little bit of trouble finding where we can actually get into the park, but Sibenik, and there's a huge parking space very close to the ferry. So it's really easy to get here. So many people here. Crazy. Taking a swim by this waterfall is magical, and I hope you give yourself this experience if you come here. Now the water is mountain water and pretty cold, and the bottom is difficult to walk on, but it's such a fun experience. We finished swimming and now we're going on a little hike. It's like 2 kilometers and it's a loop stretch. And it's gonna lead us by 9 different waterfalls. The first being the one at the bottom. So you already saw that, but we're gonna loop around and show you a lot more. This stretch is really beautiful. We are really high up and we can see down on all the levels. It looks kind of soft because there's a lot of grass on the waterfall.
There's a lot of grass on each level.
Yeah. Let's keep moving. I know it might look tempting, but don't do what this guy is doing. I have a thing for waterfalls. You guys know that. I always think that they're gorgeous, but this is really beautiful because it has so many tiers, so it just keeps going and going and going. And the drop isn't that far every time. It's like half a meter, maybe 2-3 meters, so it's not even that high except for the last one, or the first one from the bottom. But it's just really beautiful. It's a stunning walk. At the top, there's a huge area where the water is really shallow, and you walk through the area on raised boardwalks. It seems like most visitors never get to this place, but it's really worth the walk up here. This place is pretty amazing. I'm not the only one taking photos here, guys. What do you think?
I love it. There's a lot of fish and stuff in the water.
I feel like I'm in the middle of the jungle. We're hunting a viewpoint. We think we looked at the map right, but we're not sure. We'll see.
So this is an amazing place to take pictures. There are, I think, 9 waterfalls and you see them from all around, from every angle. So that's quite great because you also get different lightings.
And when we were in the woods up there, there's so many small streams and you can actually walk down to them. So you can get really close. I'm walking around here looking at all of these gorgeous views and I'm so grateful that I get to experience this. It's really amazing. And experiencing it with friends is of course really nice too, but I just want to say that if you have something that you want to do, something you've always dreamed of doing, just do it. Try to do it. Try if you can find some way to make it happen, because it really is worth it. And it makes you feel like, yeah, I really accomplished something, and it might just be going to, I know, but Paris or Chicago or seeing the Grand Canyon. Anything. If you put your mind to it, you have a really big chance of succeeding. Look at these guys. It's a pig. Yeah, it's all right.
Det er meget sjovt, når man så får
Yep, it's good.
Almost full circle. This national park has been great, and now we're heading out to the coast and we're gonna try and find some really nice food out there.
We are back in the car.
I don't think I've ever seen a parking lot with a better view than this. We are in Sibenik, which is by the ocean, and we're gonna go find something to eat and enjoy this village tonight and hopefully see a really gorgeous sunset. It really is super gorgeous. I love the architecture here. It looks so Italian. Sibenik is a true gem. We saw beautiful architecture, a stunning sunset, and had some super delicious food. And I definitely wouldn't mind coming back someday. I am in love with Sibenik. It's so magical, even at night. So old, but it's really clean and beautiful. Look what I found.
There's a good view from here.
It's like walking in a maze at night in Croatia. Well, I have loved KRKA National Park and Sibenik. If you've been here, let me know in the comments. what you thought of them. I think it's magical. I'll see you next week for more exploration of beautiful Croatia. We always have new adventures coming up, so don't forget to subscribe to join us and see where we're heading next.